If you are in the market for a reliable welding machine, you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll be reviewing some of the top welding machines available today, each offering unique features that cater to different needs and skill levels. If you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, these machines are designed to help you achieve high-quality results with ease. Let's explore and find the perfect welder for your next project. Number 1. YESWELDER Flux 135 Welding Machine. The YESWELDER Flux 135 is a versatile and powerful welding machine that caters to a variety of welding needs, including gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG. With its advanced digital display and synergic control, it offers both beginners and professionals a seamless and efficient welding experience. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, allowing you to take it anywhere with ease. Key features: welds mild steel up to 2 by 5 inch thick, gaseless MIG, stick, lift TIG, clear visual interface for easy operation, automatic voltage matching with wire feed speed, voltage compensation, overcurrent, and overload protection. Weighs only 11.4 pounds for easy portability. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN MIG 130 Welding Machine. The ARCCAPTAIN MIG 130 is an ideal welding machine for beginners and DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable and easy-to-use tool for small repairs around the house or outdoor projects. Its synergic control simplifies the welding process, automatically matching the current and wire feed speed for optimal results. This lightweight and portable machine is built to last, passing rigorous tests to ensure high quality and durability. Key features: auto matches current and wire feed speed, supports flux core, gaseless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA, overcurrent, overload, and overvoltage protection. Weighs only 11.79 pounds with a handle and shoulder strap. Tested for durability in harsh environments. Number 3. DEKOPRO DKA Welding Machine. The DEKOPRO DKA welding machine stands out for its advanced IGBT inverter technology, making it a powerful and reliable choice for welding various metals, including stainless steel, mild steel, and cast iron. With its professional ETL certification, this machine ensures both safety and efficiency, making it a dependable option for both beginners and experienced welders. Its portable design and energy-efficient operation make it an excellent tool for on-the-go projects. Key features: ensures powerful and reliable welding, guarantees safety and performance, easy to carry with a compact build, reduces copper and iron damage while conserving energy, suitable for welding various metals, including stainless steel and aluminum. Number 4. TOOLIOM TL-135M Pro Welding Machine. The TOOLIOM TL-135M Pro Welding Machine offers a versatile and user-friendly experience with its intelligent LCD panel that displays welding data clearly. With a 135 ampere output, this machine is capable of welding mild steel up to 1 by 8 inch, making it ideal for a variety of welding tasks. Its multifunctional capabilities, including flux MIG, stick, and lift TIG, provide flexibility for different welding needs, all powered by a standard 110-volt household outlet. Key features: clear welding data display, welds mild steel up to 1 by 8 inch thick, supports flux MIG, stick, and lift TIG, adjustable wire feeding speed, standard household voltage operation. Number 5. GUOZHI ARC130A Welding Machine. The GUOZHI ARC130A welding machine is exceptionally portable and lightweight, making it perfect for those who need a compact and easy-to-carry solution for various welding tasks. Despite its small size, this 110-volt or 130-ampere machine delivers powerful performance, suitable for welding a range of rods with a high duty cycle. Its advanced IGBT technology ensures stable current and voltage, while built-in safety features like overheating and overcurrent protection make it a reliable choice for welders. Key features: weighs only 3.5 pounds with an adjustable shoulder strap, ideal for welding rods below 1 by 8 inch, hot start function with overheating and overcurrent protection, stable current and reduced noise, includes electrode holder cable and earth clamp. Number 6. AZZUNO MIG 130F Welding Machine. The AZZUNO MIG-130F welding machine is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring a voltage control knob and wire speed adjustment with synergic control, making it ideal for beginners. With a powerful 130 ampere output, this machine can handle mild steel up to 3.0 millimeters thick and is equipped with safety features like overload and overheating protection. Key features: synergic control for automatic voltage and wire speed adjustment, 130 ampere output with overload and overheating protection, weighs only 8.6 pounds with a comfortable hand grip, suitable for various metals and alloys, includes MIG torch, ground clamp, flux cord wire, and more. Thanks for watching this video. Each of these models offers unique features that cater to different needs. If you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we hope this breakdown has helped you find the perfect welding machine for your next project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations.